Welcome to question 2 of November 2022, paper 1. Thank you so much for the subscribers. We are currently sitting at 521 subscribers. You are too kind. Continue subscribing, continue sharing. Let's get started. 2.1 says Annexure A shows a summary of Bomvana's vehicle and household insurance policy. Use Annexure A to answer the questions that follow. 2.1.1, write down. Okay, here is the policy insurance summary. So it's by byway.co.za, car and household, and then the client number, policy number, commencement date started on the 1st of September 2013. The statement date, this particular information is for 30 August 2022. The person is the policy holder, and Bomvana, or who lives in this strat here that has been hidden from us. The email address has been hidden from us. The phone number has been hidden for us. The reason being, it's to protect the privacy of the person. All these things that are omitted here, they are to protect the privacy of the person and for what you call this thing? Corruption. Scams. Insured item. My personal accident, 25,000. W Polo, they don't tell us. It's A. My home content, Bomvana's residential address. Okay, so she pays that much, and 201.79 cents. My movables, she pays 23 rands and 30 cents. For road cover, she pays 9 rand and 7 cents, and this is all that is insured. And then she gets a discount for having the above noted multiple insured items on cover. The discount is 266 rands and 15 cents. So what happens is when we add all of those, we then minus the discount and we got this total. Now we're going to look for A. In order to look for A, we're going to minus everything that we added and we're going to add everything that we minused. Can you hear that? Remember when we were calculating the total, we said all plus the A value minus the discount, and then we got the 2,184 rand. Now that we want A, we're going to go say minus 700 minus 200 minus 520 minus 133 minus 201 minus 23 rands minus 9 rand plus 60C. We're going to put this one back. We minused it. Now we're going to put it back. These ones we put in, we're going to take them out, and then we're going to get A. Okay, so 2.1.1 says write down the policy number of Bomvana's insurance policy. Let's find the policy number. There it is. Policy number 2338850. That is the policy number 50. And 2.1.2, from the missing value A, the monthly premium for the VW Polo. So now we're going to calculate this amount. I'm going to repeat one more time. When we were calculating the total for the premium, which is including VAT, by the way, we said 7 plus 200 plus 520 plus 133 plus the value of A plus 200 plus 23 plus 9 rand, and then we minus the 266 for discount. So now in order to find out A, we need to take away everything we added and we need to bring back what we minused. We're now going to add it back. So we're going to say A is equal to 2,184.21 minus 716 cents minus 200.41 minus 133.16 minus 201.79 minus 23.30 minus 9 rand 07 cents plus 266.15. See that? That's how it's done. And then we get A. 1,355.06. Bomvana qualifies for a discount in his insurance premium as he has insured many items. Calculate the percentage discount that he receives if the total monthly premium before the discount was. Okay, they're saying we must calculate the percentage of the discount. So when we're calculating the percentage of anything, we take that amount or that number, we write it at the top. Then we divide by. In this case, we're given the number to divide by. We're told that we must divide by 2,450.36, and then we're going to multiply that by 100, and we get the percentage. So the first thing I'm going to do to calculate the percentage of the discount, I'm going to go and find the discount first. It's 266 rands and 15 cents. 266 rands and 15 cents. And I'm going to divide that by the amount that they said I must use there is 2,450 rand and 36. And that's the money that discount was calculated on. So it's 2,450 rands. 2,450 rands and 36 cents. Then I'm going to multiply this by 100 to get the percentage. So 2, and the calculator says it's 0.1086166693. So I'm going to multiply that by 100. And the calculator says it's 10.86166931. I'm just going to check if they said round off. They didn't say anything about round off. Calculate the percentage that he receives. He received 10.86%. I'm going to go to the next question and say, Bomvana was involved in a motor vehicle accident during July 2022. The quotation for damages from the panel beaters was 43,520 rand. Determine the amount the insurance company will pay the panel beaters. So now we're looking at the amount that he's going to pay the panel beaters. So what happened? They say that Bomvana was involved in an accident and he had to pay 43,520. Now let's find, there's information there that says excess value. If you have been in an accident, you pay 7,000 rand, right? So is there anything else that happened besides just being in an accident? Bomvana was involved in a motor accident. The quotation for damages was, so excess damages, accident and intentional damage. So that's 7,000 rand. I'm going to go ahead and assume that he's going to pay 2.1.4, 7,000 rand, I'd say. Is there anything else? Theft and hijacking, window glass only claim, earthquake, fire explosion, no, none of those. And then we're going to go to the next question, which says, calculate the VAT included in the total monthly premium. Now, the total monthly premium is 2184.21. No, we need to take the VAT out. So 2.1.5, 2,184.21. And then we're going to divide that by 115% to take out the VAT. So 115% is 115 divided by 100. And that is 1,15. So what we're actually dividing this number by is 1,15. And then we get our answer. So 2184.21 divided by 1.15 is, for those of you who did not watch the lessons, where do we get 115%? Remember, we say the money that he's supposed to pay is 100%. There's nothing wrong with it, but we have to add 15% for VAT for SARS, and the total he's going to pay is going to be 115%. And therefore, they did pay that. And then we're just going to take out the VAT, doing the opposite of putting in the VAT. When you put in the VAT, you multiply. When you take out the VAT, you divide. Right, now 2.1.6 says the premium for the Toyota Corolla is much lower than that of the VW Polo. Give one possible reason for this big difference in the premium amount. Well, it could be that the Corolla costs less than the VW Polo. That would be. Or if the car is very trendy, then if the parts are difficult to find, it could be that the parts of the VW Polo are difficult to find. It could be any of those reasons. Then we go to 2.1.6. Bomvana pays a My Home premium for a house content cover to the value of 200,000 rand. After the household contents were evaluated for insurance purposes, he bought an additional lounge suite. Explain how the purchase of this new item will affect his My Home. Well, what's going to happen if they evaluate his property and they say, okay, your property is worth 200,000 rand and here is your home premium, which here it says my home content, and it says there 201 rand, right? This cover is for the home content with 200,000 rand. So what happens now if he buys more stuff? They're going to evaluate, and then they're going to increase the premium, right?